Who get the most fight? Spice. I'll be honest. I have 2 female artists in the music. Shenseea and Spice get the most fight. And Shen get most fight than Spice. I'll be honest. My opinion.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're bliss. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagger, and the one I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it in so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what a bagger this Dutty money rhythm mix up is causing out of Shenseea's camp. As you can see, her DJ, Black Boy, is getting tracked all over social media for being a mama man, for getting in a woman business. You know what I mean? As you can see, him called up Spice's name. And you know, he made several posts insinuating that, you know, Jada Kingdom and Spice is definitely not on, you know, Shenseea's level. It's a and then I followed the leader because they made a post and saying, you know, no more male artists on the rhythm. No, I'm gonna work with some females, so the people them, you know, to tag them and things. So I guess Shenseea put out her unreleased track, which is not finished, and you know, Jada, I guess, you know, put out Fear version. You know what I mean? So I guess that prompted DJ Black Boy to take the film social media account, you know, for, you know, just take the facts with charts. And you know, Jada Kingdom is not on it. You see me, I say, even though I'm never calling a name, but he said we're on a favorite artist there. You know what I mean? So I guess, you know, the Twinkle mob was getting all up in their feelings. But like he said in the beginning, Shenseea gets all the hate in Jamaica, which I think is a lie. You feel what I mean? But we'll hear what he has to say, and then I'll give you my honest opinion at the end.
Hey, you know, easy, man. Man post something and just run with it and post this and post that. Yo, and they say Maca Diamond, this, that, bro. Respect Maca Diamond. Remember, a black guy used to call me, you know. I'm say black boy, but a black guy used to call me there in Spain. Over my place, a black guy named Black Boy. Them call me Blacker, Black Worm, Black Her. So I'm for this Maca Diamond. You're mad? I don't talk Maca Diamond. You don't never this Maca Diamond. I swear to God. I'm just post something and everybody just talk about Maca Diamond, bro. I wasn't. This is Maca Diamond. I don't call nobody name. I respect Maca to the ground. Yeah, cause she do it. Yeah. When you feel like a one female talk, we never call Maca Diamond name. You know, this is one who wants to say, I say more. Maca bad. Let me let me tell you this. Maca bad. Remember Maca was before even me born to blood clot. I heard Maca and she come up in a free. In my time I grew up. We grew up on Maca Diamond, sang Maca Diamond can run the place and thing. You see me? So you know about Maca. Brother, me not talk Maca. When them talk good and them talk bad. Hear that song? Yo, first thing. All that who you see on them social media, they are cussing and this and that. Them now buy a song. I like. Since become a foreigner, use I have to pay for iTunes. You see me? So just start getting the groove and them thing and buy Spotify and them thing. But Jamaica now buy a song. Jamaica now push them on artists. They're ready for quick and cuss and go on. You see me? It's the world by the song. You see me? Watch you know. Africa, why do you think Afro big so? Because them move as one and push them artists them. It's a big cake out there. All for artists in Jamaica. Every day somebody have something bad to say about somebody. So we just join the pack today and yesterday I just post something and everybody just start running with it. But when anybody else do it, it's coming like nothing not going away. But them put me hard boat, them put me pink wall, them put me pan motor massive, them put me hard boat. I want to know, may I give an example? Look on come on YouTube. Alright. Look on, I give an example now. The hip hop artists them sang on YouTube. Them now push no 100 odd views, million views again like first time. No 300 odd million views again like first time. Because nobody not paying YouTube no mind. YouTube don't pay as much. Everybody's paying Spotify. Stop saying fucking Spotify. Spotify and iTunes. You see me? Only we Jamaica alone dep on YouTube because of love freeness. Talking the truth. YouTube not paying shit. It's Spotify and iTunes and what else? What else? You have more. Remember them, but yeah, them are pay right now. So YouTube hype and trending don't make no sense. It's facts. Yeah. Apple Music. You see me? Them thing there on the place right now. So when you hype up on go on. You don't know real music, brother. And it burn me more while more time you have to just make some just post something and troll and make you just chat to the be a fuckery. So after our chat by internet, now buy music. See there? SDC level say since they come America and start buying music. Since they come America and start buying music, true. Yes, buy music. Let me tell you, we used to use MP3 juice. First time was Bear Shares use and download music pan. You see me? And then look at site there. We now buy nothing. No? You have YouTube download and you can download music. Jamaica now buy shit, bro. So you have to focus on the bigger picture out of the road. You see me? See that? Them say what Billboard just count 5% of YouTube stream. And that's joke. So everybody run down trending, this a trend on YouTube, this a trend. Furthermore, you can pay for trending on YouTube. You can buy trending on YouTube. You can buy views on YouTube. I mean, I say you can't buy personally, but YouTube, we are easy to buy views. So I'm on the other side about them when you see buy 300 million views and 100 million views. Very ridiculous. And then they comment them now, they make no sense. What are you going to do? But brother, when you give people flowers, if you get flowers, see them way. When you be one who wants to say, only not yet for no other artist than Shenseea. When you be the one who wants to say, not true me there on her, but I want me see, I'm going to talk facts. I'm going to talk facts and speak justice. Don't tell that if I let me put it down. If a dog come sing one song and I say, yo, black side dog better than Shenseea because when say Shenseea not no talent. And Shenseea write that song and Shenseea them when find everything we say about Shen. Everything we find say about Shen. Shen write a song and Shen this and Shen that and Shen this and Shen that. Bro. All of who yesterday, everybody, all of them producer, Frost, Rvssian, Chimney, Steve, everybody can tell us that Shen can write a song. Shen write a song. You see me? See that? Yeah, I really no joke. Shen and Popcorn get him most 8. True. You see me? But only your own never 8 you. Only your own. You see what you know? Only no push up nobody to say yo. To be a next runner for the Caribbean. Remember, when you see them people say 8, on phone parent, matter of fact, because someone young. Someone young. On the same parent that grew up same way, you see 8 on Sean Paul. And Sean Paul is one of the biggest artists from Jamaica. In time. You see me? And you see him when you see 8 on Sean Paul. You see me? Just like now. So, whenever 8 pound person might be great. Remember that. Flippily say, I make my haters be my motivators. So, all who are coming on a page, on a fake page, we don't know why. If we don't have something to say, why not just use a real page and say it? Just say it in a real page. We're not afraid. Why never talk and afraid? Don't afraid, bro. Anything me can come in by anybody page and say, yo, adapt me say. You see me? Then me say the body take up and run it, but and the part Macadam part bun me in a car. Poor me never not even talk about Macadam, man. Oh yeah. You see me? What I'm blaming song again? Bumbuckle, a big song. I wanna believe in them song. That me not understand. I wanna believe in them song. Yeah. Album. Shen put no dancer song on the album. I wanna listen dancer song. We want back dancer Shenseea. She have egocentric on the song that have song me and Side produce. Egocentric. She have Shenex anthem. And what do it? We not take them. I understand one back original Shenseea. So I don't understand. I'm confused. The woman I try to clean up her thing or Ray. She a clean up her thing. Try to make her thing look, different. But one she be the next blood clot runner for the Caribbean. When you have to push somebody there, we get the next billionaire for the Caribbean. So we go and come a Bumbuckler, Jamaica. We have one street mark, Shenseea Street. What do you want to cuss the government blood clot, give Marshall Montana key for blood clot city. Key for Kingston. Key for Kingston, the cuss blood clot government. I want to push on the artists them for them get a key for themselves. Why? Why not push none of the artists them get a key for themselves? That's why people who come from Harbour come take on a blood clot place. I'm not busy on the one say. I talk my mind. Me rate every artist, rate every young artist. What them left on refresh, I'm saying refresh. Don't this the youth, them. Everything evolves. You have to get to the blood clot program or program and get left you. What them tell refresh that? Get to the program or program and left you. Everything changed. Every music changed. Every genre. A matter of fact, right now, name on a blood clot song they dropped last year for a foreigner. We still a play. Where everybody know, we can go around and sing like just like how they used to sing Man down and them things to sing for years after years. Music not last long neither. Music not lasting neither. So you do a song now, you get to look forward, you get now, you look 10 minutes, you get a look 5 years, you look 2 months or 1 month. Try no say. It a go blood clot who else? Because my son come in the next song because you come in TikTok and then you get a song on TikTok and for you get a song on TikTok and next man come find next blood clot song on TikTok. Your song dead enough? Your song dead. Remember that your song dead. You do a song on TikTok and you get a forward, then tomorrow morning the next man come with a blood clot song. Your one dead. Everything changed, brother. So you have to try to get to the blood clot program. EA Sport, get in the game. When you play FIFA, when you play PlayStation and sit in the Xbox. Eh? When you come jump up and go on. The body sit down and wait for job songs for come job song. No. We get tricked. Yo. You just have to wait. You're waiting for like Bob Marley. So when Shen say, yo, you're going to real estate, you're going to do. I'll do something else. See when you still have a wait. No, I now watch TikTok about the truth. TikTok boss most of the song them right now, see? And when them bosses song them not last long. Them boss them for that time. You see me? I'm telling you, Shen goes to real estate, I have the blood clot food on the site, I mean I supervise the site, Yeah, I forget that see me. I want to feel like they can't get me out. I give them stay in business. So I'm not cuss upon and go on and over this, but I choose this, and choose that, and choose this, and choose that. I don't give a fuck. First time, I used to say, yo, what much of that? Nah, I do this thing, I'm afraid. Bitch. I'm not afraid of nothing. I'm not afraid of nothing. So I can't talk. Shenseea are the only females. Let me tell you this. Let me talk facts. Shenseea get the most fight. Next, who get the most fight? Spice. I'll be honest. I have 2 female artists in the music. Shenseea and Spice get the most fight. And Shen get most fight than Spice. I'll be honest. My opinion. Shenseea and Spice get the most fight. And Shen get most fight than Spice. I'll be honest. My opinion. But I'll be honest. My honest opinion. I have 2 female. No other female get more fight. And then come with everybody. They want to kill Shenseea career. They want this. Then come and say, oh, them force I down on people. And then this and then that. Bro, I'll be honest with you, brother. That's why overseas people always come take over on the place. And then the cuss government and the cuss is only the same fucking people where you're beating your own people them and the rape, brother. And the facts. And the facts is the facts. Is the facts. Is the fucking truth. What you gonna do? Brother, when that people tag me and send me this and send me that and send me this. But me just answer some people, I just laugh. Yo, big man thing. Shen, one of the nicest artists, me know. You don't give a fuck when nobody wants to say. Artists don't give nobody nothing. Shen, let me tell you this. Flick, Shen and Ding Dang. I tell you, you go on a roll in Shen. Artists, let me tell you this. Artists are not going to give them followers them nothing. They're not buy them nothing. Nothing at all. And Shen genuinely real. Shen say, yo, hold this. You go in a store, no matter what brand costs or what. Shen say, yo, take up no reason. Don't try bring other female to try to kill Shenseea, and you can't kill Shenseea. If you come in at Shenseea shoes, and you can't come in at Shenseea shoes. You not have how this man. I am can't black. How this? Get a black. You see me I say? What a black. We don't have nobody so like Shenseea. We don't have that. We don't have people sound like everybody. And you can't find somebody sound like Shenseea. And that's the truth. Shenseea is the fucking female vibes cartel. Just like our fucking cartel versatile, Shenseea versatile. She's a alien. Anybody can tell that. Taurus, all I produce on your car same way. Who of them can tell us she's a fucking alien? As I look 26 or 27 year old. You see me? Bro, brother, she have some bumbuckler song from then, back then. Remember, alright, she never act. Or what? Back then, she had the music. Fuck this one, she had the music back then. Shenseea, they on every juggling, every producer send Riddim come for rice or pie. Because she have talent, and if she have talent, you start sometimes when baby bust band, baby creep before them walk, and then walk before they run. You see me? So she take time. She just come in her music. She take time till she learn it, till she learn the craft, and she learn the craft, and she master the craft. So she go elsewhere, you know, to try master her next craft. Cause she master dance already, you know. She master dance and I look at 10, and she come there. Look at time. She come in a dance hall, she master dance hall. And fucks me and speak. They throw me apart with that. She master dance hall, look at time, she come in a dance hall. And the fastest female artist. I never blood clot telling her this stuff. And she pulled gate for a whole heap of female artists, boy. Yeah. Because there was a big one buckler gatekeeper. One big gate, this be there. With a big chain and sit. You see me? One big chain sit up on the gate. One big chain. And when she busts out, other female artists can come out. All of them were yesterday there. Let us have them out. There was only one female who used to stand there. One female. Maybe I stood down here, man, and say, yo, man, say them now go and read in Shenseea the panic. I'm afraid of man. Because she bad. Because she bad. I'm afraid of woman. Man say him now go and read in Shenseea the panic. Man say that. Not kind of body. The fucking Latix brother, I fucking truth. Everybody around come. Yo, he done them. If he done them, then I fake page, then just chat shit. Them not chat basic. I'm telling you now. Me's a man for me a youth. And me I go to school. I speak justice. I never like seeing nobody beat at nobody. I like seeing people bully nobody. You see me, much as me get talking, I go ask my biggest job maker about it. I see a youth a pick on a youth. I see a youth a pick on a youth for fuck your brother. Now I'm going in a thing, I just some mistake. You see me? Earth is a youth, a good youth and a fuck up youth. Yeah. Alright. You say me spill some selfish talk still, laugh out loud, you know it. Yeah. Me gonna spill some selfish talk because only see a man, a bash artist, some just don't talk to she alone. True. Only see a man a bash artist. And I can tell you this. If on a Shenseea, a blood clot popcorn to Jamaica right now. And Shenseea never have talent. And Shenseea never have talent. She wouldn't have so much bomb clock collab. With African artists, Chris Brown them, the whole of them. Calvin Harris, big bomb clock Calvin Harris and Charlie Puth. The white man there. We don't know them man there. We know them man there, them call and say them want Shenseea and song and use a Jamaican accent. They want fear dialect, and we want blood clock all the rest, because we can't chat good. Honest. Kanye West. If I never, remember she have a song with when you know, you may not be when them swelly them. Chain smokers. So she never good. Be honest. Go on and thinking brain and going on the box. If she never good. They may not reach out to her and put up on the song them. Talk the truth. Eh?
Okay, people, this is my take on the situation. Obviously, somebody was feeding Black Boy the question them for run on his life. Not sure why. They need to hype up Shenseea if she's doing good. And she's the best. You see what I say? She definitely doesn't get no hate from Jamaica. Without Jamaica, Shenseea wouldn't be where she's at today because, let's be honest, Jamaica supported her and propelled her. You know what I mean? But when it comes to Shenseea and being on rhythms with other females, I think DJ Black Boy should sit this one out because Rvssian is not like Chimney Records and the rest of the producers in Jamaica that was only producing Shenseea at the time, you know, not highlighting other females, you see what I'm saying? And Rvssian not in at that, you know what I mean? Because Maca Diamond and Chanel more, they're on the rhythm, you see me I say. Not sure if Spice get authorized or she's gonna be on it, but she worked with Rvssian as well. So that's again my opinion. I'm gonna put in the comment section what you think about that. Do you agree with DJ Black Boy when he was saying, you see, I say Shenseea the best artist? Who's buying YouTube views and all of these things? Who's the queen of Spotify, X, Y, and Z? Anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bliss.